This 2016 Toyota Tacoma is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. Low miles, one owner, clean Carfax, 125-point inspected, comes fully serviced. Come see why our trucks are better. Zero down with approved credit. Call for more details. Largest commercial truck dealer in the Southeast. 100% financing on all vehicles. WAC best price and selection guaranteed. Contact our sales team today, 678-714-00084. Shoot us an email and make sure you tell us you saw it on the web. We are the truck folks of Georgia. JWTRUCKSALES since 1997, family owned and operated. Make sure to view our entire inventory at JWTRUCKS.com. We're here to help you make your truck purchase easy and fun. Come give us a try and see what it's like to do business the right way. We ship all over the United States and Canada, so feel free to call us for a shipping quote. We can beat everyone and AMP number 039's prices on shipping. We are located off I-985 exit 16 in Oakwood on the interstate with 1/4 VISIBLETY. Can and AMP number 039 Team US. Please bring this AD in so we can better serve you.